Welcome to Tritonia's Guide to Light Summer Literature. During the summer, our reading habits tend to change into more casual, into more light literature. And when it comes to fiction, newspapers, and magazines, our library has a wonderful collection of e-resources from you to pick from. All of these e-resources can be found through www.tritonia.fi. Then you need to choose Finna. When you open up Finna, you need to log in with your University of Vasa Haka username and password. After logging in with your Haka username and password, the search box will be University of Vasa yellow, and you will see your username in the upper right corner. If you would like to read newspapers or magazines, Press Reader is a good database to start with. Write Press Reader in the search box and then open the database. And you will have a huge selection of publications. There is over 3,000 newspapers and more magazines just a few clicks away. When it comes to newspapers, if you click on See All, you can either sort them by country. You can choose which country's newspapers you'd like to read, or in which language you'd like to read these newspapers. The same goes with magazines. You can choose them either by country, by language, or see them all, but you can also choose to see them by category. Here is anything from boating, business, computers, food, drink, health, history, home and gardening, photography, culture and travel. Here's so much to read. If you're more into fiction, you could go to a database called Biblio. It's this one. And then you choose eBooks. For example, crime and mystery. And then you change language. You change into, for example, English. And then you can find really many good fictional books for you. If you are not into crime and mystery, you can go to romance or history, whatever you like. All of these will open up with your library card number and PIN code. If you want to just read something else, you want, for example, more scientific books, you can always find them under Browse Databases, Material Type, eBooks. Then you find all Tritonia's University of Vasa's e-book databases that you can choose from. For example, Alma Talent Businesskirjasto has excellent books in Finnish that are a bit lighter. If you prefer science, eBook Central is a superb database to search in during your summer. They have the best of the publishers. They have a huge range of subjects. So do go into Tritonia's webpage, to the University of Vasa Finna database, to find newspapers, to find journals, to find magazines, to find ebooks to read during your summer. We at Tritonia wish you a great summer. Hope to see you in the autumn in our new library.